We're learning more about the 15-year-old Independence High School shooting suspect, who District Attorney Cynthia Zimmer says is a confirmed member of the Bloods gang. Now, although he does face murder charges and has a prior criminal record, Zimmer says the teen would only face a maximum of 7 years in prison if convicted.
It's not our choice. I'm not happy about it. This is not some sort of district attorney discretion. It is the law.
On the courthouse steps, just moments after the 15-year-old was charged with first-degree murder with special circumstances, gang enhancement, and personally using a firearm to cause death, Zimmer expressed her frustration with a California law that keeps kids under 15 from being tried as an adult.
Even if convicted of first-degree murder, the confinement time is anywhere from 4 to 7 years. For first-degree murder, 4 to 7 years.
The goal of that law, to focus on rehabilitation. But for some individuals, Zimmer says rehabilitation simply isn't enough.
And I believe very strongly in rehabilitation for juvenile offenders. But it comes to the point where certain offenders are so dangerous and are committing crimes like an adult that they should be treated like an adult in adult court.
The teen suspect also faces charges of possession of a firearm on a prohibited person and probation violation from the crimes he had already committed before the shooting.
His crimes were escalating in seriousness, and he was convicted of an assault with a deadly weapon with a knife on his mother.
Defense attorney Mark Anthony Raimondo shared his perspective on SB-1391.
I think the statute's good. I think in this particular situation, sure, on paper it sounds super tragic. He'll be out someday. The family won't get full justice. But in general, the concept of rehabilitation is a great idea for all of us. I think the dollar well spent is on rehabilitation and not just on punishment.
Raimondo believes curbing gang violence starts at home.
There's a lot more work to be done at home than to be done at the legislature trying to change this one specific law. I think we can work on our process of probation. We can work on our process of family-oriented. We can try to put less dads in prison. There's 100 things I can think of that could, fix the soil where this grew out of, as opposed to just fixing the one bud that grew bad out of it.
After the hearing, we learned that the shooting stemmed from a conflict between two gangs and that neither the suspect nor the victim were enrolled in school. Although they had both previously attended Kern County high schools, neither had attended Independence High. For Eyewitness News, I'm Shelby Ray Martin.